Hi, this is Linda Matthews, and welcome to another creative journaling video for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make several simple and creative layouts using some new printables I've designed just for this purpose. Creative journaling can be a bit overwhelming when you're first getting started, but when using these printables, you don't have to worry too much about what types of images and words to select, and about where and how to place them on the page. I'm using some new printables that I designed specifically for beginners to get started with creative journaling. This particular set has the theme Space for Dreams and includes a page of clip art, some printable papers, and some positive affirmations. This is one set of a new series of printables that are now available in my online store, and you can find the link in the description below. So once you've printed out the pages, you need to cut out all the clip art. When cutting clip art, you can leave a small border around the edge. This makes it easier to cut the pieces out. Always make sure to use good quality copy paper when printing. I use 100 GSM, or about 24-pound weight paper, which is slightly thicker than standard copy paper, but not as thick as cardstock. This weight paper will support stickers and glued-on clip art and ephemera without wrinkling or tearing. You could also print the clip art onto sticker paper, and then you don't have to worry about using glue. Once the clip art is cut out, you can now begin designing your first page. All of the elements on these printable pages can be used in different ways to create different types of creative layouts in your journal. You can use the clip art to make the same layouts as I'm making, or you can use them to create something completely different. There is no right or wrong way to do this. So this is my new creative journal for this year, and I've already made a layout using some free gratitude printables. You can find the link to that tutorial in the description below. Because I'm using a small traveller's notebook sized journal, I scaled down this page to print at 80%, so I didn't lose too much of the design when I cut it. You can find a link to a tutorial showing you how to scale down your printables in the description below. Once all the pieces are cut out, I always like to play around with the images to create a layout that I'm happy with before I glue the pieces in place.